Yes. Yes, Tanman, Anushka, what is lines and angles? So linear equation now. Now Shivraj, just wait. First we go for lines and angles. They ask them in guessing linear pair and many more are there more than in guessing linear pair. Linear pair is the thing related to adjacent angle. Yes. Whenever we are getting adjacent angles, you know adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Having a common vertex, having a common arm, and non-common arms are on opposite side. So these three things have a common arm, non-common arms are on opposite side. Is very much clear that it's a linear pair. Fine. So what are the value of the two angles? Exercise 13, question number 11. Fine, question number 11 we will discuss. Here, what is the value of x? 45. Now, this angle will also equals to x. If I name it y, we can say that x is equals to y. Both are 45 only. Now this one, if I will divide into two parts, one is 30 and one is z. What is the value of Z? This is VOA, vertically opposite. Now we have to forward this part. You just see there 3x is equals to what? 3x हमारा किसके इक्वल होगा? Yes, very good. 30 plus z. 3x is equals to 30 plus z. And we can see that 3 into 45. That is also through vertically opposite angle. ये पूरा 3x and this complete 30 plus z are equal. Why they are equal? They are vertically opposite angles. If this angle is divided into two parts, then also the sum of two parts will be equal to the third one. So z is equals to 105. Question number 11. Question number 11 is very simple. There are four parts. 100, 56, 74, and 1 is x. Okay, so the sum of four angle is 360 degree. It's a complete angle here, so we just add and equals to 360. So x will come when you do 360 minus the remaining of these three, 100, 56 and 74. Keep it here. Word sum, question number 15. Something is more or something is less means we are comparing. Something is more or something is less, we are comparing, and we compare through difference. ठीक है ना? ये हम सभी को पता है कि we compare through difference. More, they can use the word exceed also, that one of the part exceeds another part, like 184 we have to divide. Fine. 1/3 of one part, 1/3 of one part exceeds, ज्यादा है, exceeds 1/7 of other part by how much? By 8. By 8. वो जो है 8 ज्यादा है, ठीक है? अब ये exceeds मतलब हो गया more, and we discussed wherever more or less We want to compare, and to compare, we just find the difference. Now, first of all, we are dividing 180 into two parts, 184. So, what are the two parts? 184. We are dividing into two parts, 1 and 2. Okay? If one part is x, what should be the second part? Comment now. X plus 184. X will be transposed to that side. From right hand side it will go. Plus x will become if you are one side on the one side of the river and you are crossing the river, so you will, if you was dry, you become wet. Minus. So what I should write? What I can write the second part as? Not x minus 184. 184 is already there. Comment fast. Plus x become minus of x. We can write it 184 minus x. Fine. Now we just have to create the equation. Exceed means more or less. We are finding difference, and the difference they have given is equals to a. Now 1/3 of one part. Okay. If I will take 1/3 of the first part, which is x, exceeds 1/7. The other part is 184 minus x. 184 minus x is equals to 8. Shivraj, is it clear to you? My age is 20 years more than you. Fine. So your age and my age, the difference is 20. Okay, if my age exceeds your age by 20, 30 exceeds 10 by 20. So I have to write in this way. 30 minus 10 is equals to 20. So 1/3 exceeds 1/7 by 8 means 1/3 of x minus. Now solve this equation. Okay, so this is a pattern. If you remember, when we solve such type of word sums, there are two things and we have to take only one variable. So whatever the relation given between them, जैसे यहाँ पे addition, आपको पता है कि दो पार्ट्स में हम डिवाइड करना, तो टोटल है 184. It means obviously it is their addition. So one is x, so there will be total minus first. Okay, if this one was in the product form, अगर ऐसा होता है कि suppose two numbers their product is given, so then we take one is x and the second one will be the opposite of multiply is divide. Solve that equation. Now all of you comment the solution part of this one. How you all are solving? X by 3 minus 184 minus x by 7 is equals to 8. Tanmay, please comment what not understood. Take the LCM. Check whether you able to solve simple equations or not. Have you done this much practice that you can able to solve this? How 184 come in the second part? Fine, because we are doing the two parts. Yes, 1 and 2. Simple thing is that the sum of two numbers is 184. Okay. If one of the number is x, या फिर एक number जैसे मुझे पता है, suppose 1 is 50. So how I can find the second one? Example लेते हैं. Suppose one of the number is 50. So Tanmay, how you will find the second one? To find the second one. Okay, so 184 must come. From total we subtracted the first part. एक को हम ले रहे हैं variable x. Second will be 184 minus x. So we are using the same variable. We are studying linear equation in one variable. So हमको एक ही variable लेना है. So that's why second one is 184 minus x. Now what is the solution here? Yes. Now here is 3. We want to make it 21. So we will multiply by 7. For 7, we must multiply by 3. Be very much careful with this negative sign. There is minus 3. So you are going to multiply minus 3. And all of you just wait, don't comment the answer, okay? I will tell you within 1 or 2 minutes, then you all comment. Let everybody solve the question. And Gauri, Anisha, Vivek, Guru, Samiksha. Yes, Gauri, you can comment the next step. What is the next step? Comment. Eight multiplied by 21. Comment fast now. Already I have done the complete. Comment your answers. 720 divided by 10. 72 is the answer. And Advaita was asking standard form. So Advaita, standard form. First of all, if you talk about the definition, we just want one number between 0 to 9. The remaining part we will put in decimal and multiply by 10 in the exponential form. Okay, so here I already have 100. Now after 4 I want decimal. So I have to divide by 1000. And obviously I have to multiply also. We are using equivalent fraction. So we'll multiply, divide both. .506 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5. Is it okay, Advita? Will you now tell me what is the standard form of 3120500? Seven. 3, 4 places are there. 3 zeros are there. 3.1205 multiplied by 10 to the power of 7. Sir, not understood. Very good. कोई बात नहीं. So you just think that what actually we want to do, है ना? How we want to change this number? We want to put here point after the very first digit, and the very first digit is 4 here. Fine. And if there are zeros, so we can separate them first. So here 10 को 100 को हमने लिखा 10 square. Here are 3 zeros, so I written 10 cube. Okay. Fine. 2 0 square, 3 0 cube. Now we just have to put the point, and for that we want in denominator 3 zeros, because after 4 there are 3 places. Here after 3 there are 4 places. So we took 10,000. Here we took 1,000. Now we not able to divide only. Yes, it's a basic rule. Equivalent fraction. We can multiply and divide by the same number. So we are dividing, hence we are multiplying also by 1,000. Now 3 and 2, 5. And here also 3 and 4, 7. Okay, one question more. We'll see now how we are doing actually. Now no one else, only Advita Divedi will comment. Fine. Okay, Advita. Now you just comment here how many zeros are there. 4. Remaining is 1024. Okay, and this is 10 to the power of 4. Fine. Now by which number I should divide and multiply? By what number I should divide and multiply? By 1,000. Yes, correct. So when we divide by 1,000, we get 1.2024. And here in 10 to the power, what is the exponential form of 10? 4 and 3. Yes. 7. Okay, so this is the answer. Is it fine? So go through examples, practice more and more. I know you all very well. I can say confidently many of you are not revising properly. Okay, that's why for 2-3 days I was not giving any homework. I just want to see whether you people will do and send me something. Sir, I have done this or I have done that. Now tomorrow onwards again we will start our revision from 18th, I think. Before that, if you've done some works, you can send me on WhatsApp and you can ask your doubts also. So practice more and more, okay, until you will not do. Yes, any another question? Aditya, you was asking something from 5B. So 5B, okay, standard for me. Okay. Yeah, you can share with me. Especially if you have doubts, you can discuss. You can discuss among your friends also. So when we talk, when you people discuss about these topics, it is helpful to you and your friends also. I always tell you that you may have tomorrow onward there are already. Up to 17th, I think. 18th will start our revision. Square root of exponent is coming in exam. This way we should not speak. We should ask there whether square roots you people are already knowing from, I think, from Pythagoras theorem. Yes. We'll check. And if you watch videos also now, there are so many videos on Diksha, how to find square in base form. Square in base form means 7b question number 20. So ये आया 7b. Question number 20. This was asked in the exam already, I think. Yes, the ages are given in the ratio. There are two friends whose ages are in the ratio 7:5. Now, if you can take the variable x, now we are talking 10 year hence. 10 year hence means after 10 years. Simply we will add 10 in both the ages, and now their ratio become 9:7. So just solve this equation, do cross multiply. (250 square root), any shortcut form. Do prime factorization, Tanmay. That is best for you now. (256). There is a short trick. If a number is a perfect square, okay, this I am showing only for the numbers which are perfect square. So for this one, we will divide a number into two parts. Okay, what is the number? 256. So 256, last two digits will make one group, the remaining part will make one group. This is generally applicable for 3 or a 4 digit number. Okay, it's a Vedic math trick. It is not like that which to which number, anything can come. Now 2. First of all, we will see the first group number and we'll think perfect square. Okay, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. So 2 is near to which perfect square? Perfect स्क्वायर नंबर देखेंगे हम कि 2 के पहले या 2 के नियर में परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कौन है। तो आपको पता है 4 के पहले क्या आ रहा है 1, so we'll take it as 1 only, okay, because before 2 there is only the perfect square which is 1, and after 2 there is 4, so we only take 1. Now 56, the complete number is near to which perfect square, किस perfect square के ये near है। 6 का स्क्वायर आप सभी को पता है 36 है, 7 स्क्वायर इज 49, and then 8 square is 64. तो 56 के पहले जो हमारा परफेक्ट स्क्वायर आता है 256 we are seeing. One and 56 generally what happens, this number is coming near to like here perfect squares में हमें दिख जाता है कि 56 के पहले हमारा perfect square क्या है, जैसे यहाँ पर ये 7 हो रहा है but generally it come exactly, so it will come here 16, okay, but for this number it is not applicable. Suppose if I do for 169, fine, 1 is 1 only. अभी 69 के पहले okay, this number fine, we just have to see the last number, like you asked Tanmay 256. So 256 में हमने देखा कि 1 का स्क्वायर क्या है, 2 के पहले स्क्वायर था 1 and this number is ending with 6, so we just have to see the unit place. That unit place is ending with 6, it means either it is 4 into 4 16 or 3 into 3 sorry 6 into 6 36, 6 into 6 36, okay, 6 कहां पे आता है, if you multiply, if you do the 4 square or you do the 6 square, fine. Now already 1 we have, so it will be either 14 or 16, okay, या तो ये 14 होगा या फिर ये 16 हो सकता है. How? May I repeat once? We see the unit place here. 6 will come either in the square of 4 or 6. So it is either 14 or 16. If you see the square of 15, you know it is 225. It is obviously greater than 225, so it is nothing but 16. Okay, चलिए अब ये यहाँ पे पहले 1 को फर्स्ट नंबर कैसे देखना है, स्क्वायर्स के बीच में, जैसे 1 है तो 1 का स्क्वायर 1 जो है परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स में 1 ही आ रहा है. Now 9, Tanmay, you tell me 9. If it is ending with 9 means what will be the ones place when the squares are ending with 9? either 3 square or 7 square. Okay, so it is either 13 or 17, but it is 13 only. Fine, thank you very much. I'll make a video on it.